Still getting a lot of rain here, and I thought it might be a good chance to demonstrate the extra overhang or the extended drip edge that I put on there. So the normal drip edge is right there. I think you can probably hopefully see that. And what's happening is it's running down the wood, coming back following the drip edge. This is a low slope roof. So it's following the drip edge back, hitting the wood, following the wood right down, and then falling off. You can see over here, see where it's falling off? It's coming in almost to the porch because it's falling so close. But over here, we've extended, we've put a flashing on. You can see how much right here. Right there, so it's about 3 inches. And here, the water's coming off the flashing. It cannot go back up the flashing and get the wood and then follow it over. So in this case, we have about a foot distance between the porch and where the water's hitting. So I think it makes a huge difference. Now here, we did the same thing, and you can see none of it has come back on the wood. It's all falling off where it's supposed to. So very good. And so I think low slope roofs, you really have to extend the drip edge with an extra piece of flashing.